dear students, this is our part 2 of English lesson number 2.4. As we have learned in first part about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's 3 visions for India are development, freedom and standing up. In 30,000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and captured our land and conquered our minds. From Alexander, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the French, they came and they looted us. India had not conquered anyone or grabbed their land, their culture and their history, nor tried to force our way of life of them. We respect the freedom of others. Dr. Kalam's first vision for India is freedom. He believed that India had its first vision of freedom in 1857 when we started the War of Independence. It is this freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on it. Dr. Kalam's second visions for India is development. For 50 years, we have been developed nation. It is time to ourselves as a developed nation. We people are lacking the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation, self-reliant and self-assured. His third vision for India is standing up to the world, or no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. There is no only a military power but also as an economic power. Both must go hand in hand. He said, why are we in India so embarrassed to recognize our own strength, our achievements? Why? We are such a great nation. We have so many amazing successful stories, but we refuse to acknowledge them. As we know, our India is second largest producer of wheat in the world, the second largest producer of rice, the first in milk production. As we know, we are number 1 in remote sensing satellites. But there are millions of such achievements, but our media is oppressed only with the bad news and failures and disasters. Here, when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was in Israel, in Tel Aviv once, so he was reading Israel newspaper. That day, after a lot of attacks and bombardments and death had taken place, but he not saw that news on front page of the newspaper had the picture of a gentleman who in 5 years had transferred his desert land into an orchid farm and granary. It was this inspiring picture that everyone woke up to. The gory details of killings, bombardments and deaths were inside the newspaper, but it among other news. Isn't it possible in our country? Dr. Kalam said, why are we as a nation so obsessed with the foreign things? We want foreign TVs, we want foreign shirts, we want foreign technologies. Why this obsession with everything important? Do we not realize that self-respect comes with the self-reliance? When Dr. Kalam, he was in Hyderabad for his lecture, so one 14 years old girl asked him for his autograph. Dr. Kalam asked to that girl, 14 years girl, what her goal in her life. That 14 years goal replied, I want to live in a developed India. So students, for her, you and I will to build this developed India. You must proclaim, you must declare confidently to all.